Today we are going to learn about HTML tags and the basic advantages of the HTML pages. Alright, so now first before that you have to download the text editor. So I am using a text editor that is a Sublime, so you have to download it. So just go to Google and write there Sublime text editor download, and just open the download Sublime text and download your Sublime text for your device. And once you download it, you have to install it, and once you install that, it will be visible on your device. The application will be visible. So you can see here Sublime, right? So you will just get this application, and once you receive that application, just open that. And first, once you open it, you have to save your file first. So before that, you have to create a new folder on your desktop. So just create a new folder and name it as HTML. Alright, so now once you download that, once you create a new folder, just go to Sublime and Control yes to save your file in the HTML folder which you have created just now. Now save your file in .html extension file. Yes, you can see here I have created a file that is index.html. Now I will start writing the script for my sample and a simple web page. Alright, now I'm using HTML file, so we'll start with doc type. So doc type HTML. So now doc type HTML. So before that, what is mean by HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. I hope you already used so many websites and web pages and mobile applications. So these all are basically built on the HTML and CSS code. Alright, now HTML describes the structure of a web page, and HTML consists of a series of elements. So it also have a set of tags and the links, whichever you want to paste, whichever you want to display the image and all, it will be with the links. Now how to create those links and how to create the web page, so everything we are going to study in this course. Alright, so now next I am going to show this HTML doc type HTML. What is mean by doc type HTML? This is the declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. Now next I'm using HTML tag. So what is this HTML tag? This is an element, is the root element of an HTML page. And next I'm starting with a head. So you have to write a heading for your web page. So now what will be the heading? In the header you have to give a title for your web page. So what will be the title? I'm going to give my title, that is Little Programmer, and close your title. So once you write the title, you have to close that tag. If you forget to close any of the tag, then you will receive an error. Alright, so next I will close my header. So my header is closed. Now I have to create a body of the web page. So start creating the body tag, and then in the body what all will come? In the body, first heading will come, then paragraphs will come, then images, so many things will come, right? So first we'll start with the H1. So there are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So 6 types of headings you can give for your web page. So let's start with the H1. So H1, I'm writing the heading again. This is my heading. Alright, so I'm just closing this heading, or else you can also give it as a little programmer only. So just to, yeah, little, okay, let's try this, little programmer. Okay, then next paragraph. So you have to write a paragraph, that is this is paragraph. Okay, then close your paragraph. Now close the body and close the HTML. Alright, now let's check it out whether it is displaying the right content which I have written in the code on the web page or not, we have to check it out. So how to check it? So just first you have to save your content, whatever you have written. Just control yes you have to press, so it will be saved in your file, and then control O, just open that and just right click and open it. Okay, now you can see here the little programmer. Your title for the heading, sorry, for your web page, the title, that is the header, in the header part, that is the title little programmer here, over here. And next your heading, H1 heading, that is the, this will be the body. This white page will be considered as the body, and this will be your little programmer, which is in the bold font. So this is your H1, and the paragraph, that is the paragraph, you can see in a small font size. Right, done. Now I would like to show you different types of H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So just copy this and, sorry, control B, 4, 5, 6. Yes, let's go. Okay, yeah, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's change it, and so that we can see the differences, the different types of headers. Okay, and also I would like to write this paragraph like this. Just little programmer, and just copy this. Okay, done. Now control yes to save this first, and then control O and open the web page again and check it out. Yes, you can see the changes here. I'll just minimize this a little bit so that you can see here. Yeah, you can see the changes, right? So little programmer, this is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, right? So these are the different types of headings for your body, and this is the paragraph which we have created. Now some changes I would like to show you in the paragraph, that is yeah, let's go. Now I want to write this little programmer, the first one, the first statement. I would like to write this in the bold. So how to write this in a bold font? So now you have to open a tag for that, B, and where you want to close it, you can close that. All right, so now I would also like to do some italic font. So let's do the last one as italic font and close the italic tag. Yes, now save it and open, and just open this. Yeah, you can see here the, let me show you. Yeah, you can see here little programmer, this is in a bold font, and the last little programmer, you can see the name, this is in the italic font, right? So like this you can change your fonts however you want. All right, now I would like to give an give a link so that I can open some pages, some web pages in my uh, body of the web page. Now how to give the links of images or any other website? So what you have to do is you need to use the anchor tag. All right, so anchor tag, and that is h reference and equals, and just whatever thing you want to give a link there. For example, I would like to give my Google page link, so to google.com, and just copy this and go to your Sublime Text and just open that. All right, and close that, and here you can write, just click here and close the anchor tag. Now save it and let's go to open. Yeah, now you can see here, click here is there, right? So I will close this Google page, and you can see here I will click on the click here link. If you click on the link, your Google page will be opened, so it will be directed to the Google page. All right, yes.